हजारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी हैं कि हर ख्वाहिश पे दम निकले, बहुत निकले मेरे अरमान, लेकिन फिर भी कम निकले। निकलना खुद से।
Dear Ravi, I received your letter. I know this is a real tough time for you, especially when you have nothing in your favor. I can understand how lonely you must be feeling now. Don't worry, everything will be alright. Just keep your mind free from all this and keep writing. Love, Ritu.
से हम निकले। मोहब्बत में नहीं है फर्क जीने और मरने का, मोहब्बत में नहीं है फर्क जीने और मरने का। उसी को देख कर जीते जिसका फिर पे दम निकले, हजारों ख्वाहिशें ऐसी।
Dear Ravi, I read your book Autumn Days. It's such a beautiful book. I got connected to it from the very first line. I lived each line of it. I felt the anger, happiness, love, and every other feelings and emotions which were born out of your writing. I'm in love with your writing. And congratulations for the bestseller tag you have got. I'm waiting for your next book. Regards, Ritu Sharma.
Hello? Mr. Raina. Thank you. Thanks, Mr. Raina. It was an honor to receive the Writers Guild Award from you. Yes. Definitely. Yeah, okay. Okay, thanks. Good night. Good night. Miss Ritu Sharma. Dear Ritu, thank you for your letter. Not many people take the trouble of writing an actual letter. I'm glad that you liked my writing. It's all because of the love of people like you that my book has become a success. I hope you would like my upcoming work as well. Love, Ravi.
ऐसी कि हर ख्वाहिश पे दम निकले, बहुत निकले मेरे अरमान, लेकिन फिर भी कम निकले।
Dear Ravi, we have known each other for 5 years now, thanks to the Postal Service of India. It's a different kind of fun to write letters. It's a dying art, isn't it? I do appreciate the fact that you trust me enough to share your problems with me. You have always been a guide to me through your writings. to your previous letter, I will say life is full of ups and downs. You will find all types of people around you, but don't change yourself for anyone. Your articles are very good in the magazines, and congratulations for the nominations. You know what? I have started to write a story because of your encouragement. I would send when I'm done with it. Love, Ritu. Dear Ravi, I finally completed the story last week. I have dedicated this story to you. You have been like a teacher, a guide, and a friend for me. You know what? Last night, my husband's friend, Mr. Raina, had come to our place. He happened to read it. He liked it a lot and said it is worth publishing. He is ready to publish it under his publishing house. But I refused. This is not mine. I may have been the writer, but they were all your words. I want you to read it and tell me how it is. Love, Ritu.
Dear Ritu, what an amazing piece of art. The Lady in the Rain is truly elegant, truly subtle and yet hard-hitting. This is surely not because of me. This is all you, all you. I think you were always a writer in disguise. You must publish this story. You have my blessings. Just go ahead with the publishing. I wish you all the success in the world. Love, Ravi.
Hello?
Yes, sir, this is Akash from Raina Publications. Sir, I'm calling to inform you that your story Clipped Wings has been rejected by Mr. Raina. Sir, it is Mr. Raina's view that the story lacks soul and it's cliche and may not be financially sustainable for the publications. Sir, we are very sorry once again and we wish you all the best in your future endeavors.
You cannot do this to me. What do you mean by not accepting? Hello? 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 Hello?
bank's notice about mortgage of the house. Yes, Mr. Raina. मुझे पता है that I am taking a lot of time, but I need my own creative space to think. No, please have faith in me. Yeah, I am working on a story. Yes. Give me two more months. Okay, 2. Yeah. Hey, you have waited for 2 years. Just wait for 2 more months. No, please. Yeah. Okay. Thanks. Thanks. Dear Ritu, I have been trying to write for last 2 years, and all that I have managed to write are just some 15 pages, which are also completely rubbish. With every success, I have set for myself a different standard. And now to reach that standard is not that easy. Maybe that competition with myself has taken a toll on my creativity. I have made everything complicated. My ideas, my narrations are all getting jumbled up, and I am losing track of everything. And I just don't have any idea how to tackle this. Now I am in a situation where I am facing a lot of hurdles. If I don't come up with something concrete in these coming months, I will be done with. The address to which you send your letters will no longer be mine. Love, Ravi.
Dear Ravi, I read your crisis in the newspaper. I have something to offer you, which was yours only. The Lady in the Rain. Before writing this book, I had already dedicated it to you. I never thought such a situation would arise. Please publish your story. I will be the happiest person to see it published. Please think of it as my last wish. I will be leaving my place now. I have a long journey ahead of me. And just like you, I too don't know what is in the store for me. I wish you best of luck. Lots and lots of love, Ritu.
No, I can't do this at all. But why is she going? And where is she going? No, I'm not going to do this. No.
Dear Ravi, I don't know when you will get this letter. Do not reply back, as I may not be living there now. I would like to tell you a story of hope. There was once a girl in a village. One day, she realized that she was going to die. She decided to follow the last leaf of a tree in her backyard, which when touched the earth would be her last breath. To which her friend, an artist, drew a same leaf and went to stick the leaf which would stay long on the tree. But that was impossible. No matter how much he tried, the leaf wouldn't stick to the tree. In her dying words, the girl told him, "My dear friend, what is in nature cannot be altered. Where there is death, there is a life. Instead of trying to stick the leaf on the tree, plant more trees." In this story, on both the sides, hope wins. I am sending you my consent to give you all the rights to make this book yours and start a new fresh life. I have given all the information in the consent. Remember, my dear friend, where there is death, there is life. Don't waste your efforts in trying to fix something that nature has deemed to remove. Instead, try to use the best of it. Thank you for everything. Love, Ritu.
Hello? Hello? Yeah, this is Ravi Kumar speaking. May I speak to Miss Ritu Kumar, please? Ritu Sharma, yeah, that's right. What? Oh, no.
She expired due to cancer last week. It was her wish to send that letter to you after she died. She expired due to cancer last week. It was her wish to send that letter to you after she died.
Hello, Mr. Raina. Yeah, this is Ravi Kumar. Mr. Raina, I have got a good news for you. I have got a story for you. Yes, the story. The lady in the rain. Yes, Mr. Raina.